For number 1, the answer is D. If we go back to the first page and look at table number 1, and we look at the columns of mass and aggressiveness, there is no pattern between the cricket's weight and level of aggressiveness. Therefore, an assumption can be made that the weight is not a factor in the dominance hierarchy. For question number 2, the answer is J. If we go back to table 3 and look at the highlighted blue, we can see that the cricket with the greatest number of losses was cricket E, hence the answer J. For question number 3, the answer is C. If we go back again to table number 1 and look at the number of chirps column, we can see that recharting this in ascending order, the aggressiveness, and adding the 6th cricket's 23 chirps to the data in descending order, the rank of the 6th cricket is clearly 4. This is a what-if type of question. For question number 4, the answer is G. Again, looking back at table number 1, we can see that there is no correlation between the mass or age and the number of chirps that is made. However, as aggressiveness increases, the number of chirps decreases. So only 3 aggressiveness is a factor. For number 5, the answer is D. If we look at table number 2 and look up the number of times the winning cricket D lost to cricket E, which is 15, then look up the number of times the winning cricket E lost to cricket D, which is 10. If we add all these encounters together, in other words 10 plus 15, we get a total of 25. For question number 6, the answer is H. If we refer to table 1 and we rearrange the columns, age of the crickets and the corresponding weight, go back to the question here, we can see that H would be the correct answer. As soon as you chart the mass of the one-day-old cricket, the only chart that would be correct is H, since the mass is in the upper end of the graph. We can see that going from age 1 to age 2, it decreases. Going from 2 to 3 increases. 3 to 4 decreases. And 4 to 5 slightly increases again. So that, of course, also leaves us with H.